All right, from office.com, I am going to show you how to get to Outlook. Outlook is your email. So you all have a school email. It is your student ID at lynnschools.org. But what's really important is that means that you actually have an email account. So that means that if you have a question for a teacher, you can send them an email that can go directly to their phone or to their computer. It doesn't have to go through Schoology. If there are any important pieces of information for sports or from the school, it is going to be emailed out to your email address. If there are any important updates for class, it can be emailed to your email address. So you want to know where you can actually go to get that. So if you go to office.com and you signed in, which we've already done, on the side here, you have the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. If you click Outlook, it opens up a new tab and it brings you to your email. You can see all of my email addresses, or all my emails that I've received are right here on the side. And if you needed to send an email to one of your teachers, you would click New Message right here. When you click New Message, it should pop up right here. And I'm just going to send an email to myself. So let's pretend you had to send it to me. It is always last name first for your teachers, but right when you start typing it, we're in the same system at Lynn Schools, so you should see a name, and you're going to click my name. That is just how to get to Outlook. I want you to get to Outlook first, and then I'm going to show you how to actually send an email that is appropriate to your teacher.